Okay, it's like 5:30 in the morning. Let's try to go to the Great Wall of China and beat the crowd. So we'll take line 2, 13, and then the next one. We'll see how it works. Select English. Take line 2, going from Qiamen to Danzimen. Dogzimen. Yeah. Okay. 4 yen. Pay in cash. Okay. As simple as that, and just scan that on the corner of the gate. Let's go to Dongzimen. Okay, this is the one right here. It's going to Dongzimen. The arrow goes clockwise, so that's the one to take. It's already pretty busy. Let's go. What used to be the military line of defense many years ago is now the heritage and symbol of China. The Great Wall of China, more than 14,000 miles long. It is the biggest man-made structure. It is visible from actually space. It's absolutely amazing. Once you get on it, it's a different game. So I'm gonna let you enjoy the view, but I'm enjoying the cold because it's freezing cold. It's very unusual. You don't see much people. Because I took the first train at night from Beijing, and it's winter time as well. Because generally it is just packed full, so I'm very lucky. And it's also going. It's very steep. You can hear how heavily breathing. It looks like I'm getting some buddies right here. Hey. Okay. That's a good prep before going to Nepal and doing my trek in the Annapurnas. So a good exercise. This is freezing cold. It's mid-January and it's just like packed at the 8th tower. I cannot imagine what it is in summer. I heard it was crowded, but it's just crazy already, and it's only early morning. Only going to get worse. It is mid-January today. It's actually January 17th. 3 years ago my father passed away on that day. It's a very special day, so my thoughts to the family, especially my 3 siblings. I'm certainly thinking about Daddy today. I traveled around the world. I don't think I made it to the Great Wall of China, but he visited so many different places. I'm sure you know. And if you don't want that many people, go on the south road. The north one is just like packed. The south one is about nobody on it. It's pretty peaceful, a little more enjoyable. Let's check the view.